400 billion stars out there, just in our galaxy alone. If only one out of a million of those had planets, all right? And if just one out of a million of those had life, and if just one out of a million of those had intelligent life, there would be literally millions of civilizations out there.
Well, if there wasn't, it'd be an awful waste of space.
Amen.
The previous clip was from the 1997 film Contact, based on the 1985 book by American astronomer Carl Sagan. The film explores the possibility of life on a faraway planet, when Dr. Ellie Arroway hears a clear signal coming from within the constellation Lyra. Once she positions the Very Large Array, she confirms that the signal is coming from the fifth brightest star in the sky, and the subject of today's presentation. Vega, presented by Michael Turner, Astronomy 1030, D04, 1031, D04, Lat 9, Star Research, Dr. Suman, New Panary. Vega is located in the constellation Lyra. It is also known by the names Alpha Lyrae, or the Summer's Bright Star. Vega is one of our Sun's closest neighbors at only 25 light-years away. In Arabic mythology, Vega is known as the swooping eagle. In Greek mythology, Vega is the harp star, as the constellation Lyra is Greek for the harp. Vega is paired with Altair as part of the Summer Triangle, along with Deneb. There are mythological love stories starring Vega and Altair in Chinese, Japanese, and Korean cultures. Altair represents Ni Yu Long, a cowherd, and Vega represents Jin Yu, the weaving girl. The two fall in love but are separated by the Milky Way, or the Celestial River. In Chinese myth, they are allowed to meet once a year on the 7th day of the 7th lunar month, during the Kisei festival. In Japanese myth, they follow the same story, except they meet during the Tonabata festival, and in Korean mythology, it is the Chilseok festival. Aside from its prominence in the mid-1980s through the 1990s with the book and movie Contact, Vega has re-entered the astronomical conversation. In 2021, a massive candidate for exoplanet was discovered orbiting Vega. The James Webb Telescope also revealed a large dust cloud around Vega, and there is sure more to discover in the future. Vega is classified in the main sequence of the HR diagram, with a temperature of 9,830 degrees Kelvin and a luminosity of 40.12. Vega's apparent magnitude is 0.03, and its absolute magnitude is 0.6. Apparent magnitude is the brightness of a star measured as seen from Earth, whereas absolute magnitude is the brightness as if it were measured from a standard of 10 parsecs away. Vega has a mass 213.5%, that of our own Sun, or 2.135 solar mass. Its size is 250%, that of our Sun, or 2.5 solar radii. Vega is 455 million years old, just 1/10 the age of our own Sun, and yet it appears to be aging much faster than our Sun. Vega is such an important star in our sky. In fact, in about 15,000 years, it will once again become our North Star. As we've seen, Vega isn't just another bright point in the night sky. It's a dynamic, evolving star that has guided explorers in the past and will guide future generations once again. Thank you for joining me on this brief journey through the story of Vega.